Want to start your journey to financial freedom with little to no stress? Then this video is just for you. Hi guys, it's Wendy here and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we share tips on how to grow financially, spiritually, and emotionally. And if that's something you're interested in, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your investment journey with as little as 1,000 to 5,000, and that is by investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds are basically a pool of funds where different people put their money together and an asset manager carries that money and invests it in different assets like stocks, in treasury bills, commercial papers, real estate, and the like. And at the end, you get your own interest paid back to your own account. One thing I love about mutual funds is that it is very easy to do. It is very simple and it is transparent. You have little to no involvement with it. You leave it all to the professional and you just wait for your dividends or interest to be rolling in. So I'm going to be showing you two simple apps that you can use to start investing here in Nigeria, and that is the Cowrywise and the Optimus by Afrinvest app. The reason why I love this app is because they are very easy to use. They are user friendly. So as a beginner, you can go straight into it once you just download the app and set it up. And also because they are secured by the SEC and also backed by NBIC, which is one thing you should really always look out for when you are beginning your investment journey. It's whatever platform you are putting your money should either be insured by SEC or backed by NBIC. That is how you know that your money is safe. Okay, so I'll be starting the screen record to show you how to use this platform, how to fund it and invest in this mutual fund. So firstly, these are the different apps I have for my investment journey and my saving journey. I have Cowrywise, Trove, Bamboo, Optimus, Piggyvest, Afrinvest 2.0. Like, just use whichever app works for you. You don't have to use these specific apps I'm saying, but if you find an app that works for you, you can go ahead with that. So we'll be starting with Optimus. So first, this is opening. So this is how Optimus looks like. When you go to the home page, you can see your total portfolio. If you swipe, you see Naira portfolio and dollar portfolio. So Optimus, you can use it to invest in both Naira and dollar mutual fund as well as also US stocks. So if you want, you can use it to start an investment journey with US stocks. But today we're going to be focusing on just the Naira mutual funds. So I will go to invest. I'm already doing two mutual funds already, but there are three. You can see there's the AEF, which is the Afrinvest Equity Fund, AEF, and you can see the current buy price is 583 Naira 94 Kobo, and same for the sell price. You can sum it up, you can automate your top up, whether weekly, monthly, or daily, however you want. And you can see the fund summary, and it says the AEF fund has strong potential for capital appreciation. The fund selects stocks that are highly liquid and also adopts a dynamic strategy that delivers alpha amid prevailing macroeconomic conditions. So one thing I want to say, take note, whenever you are investing in something, make sure you read what the fund is about so that you know what the fund is investing in, because depending on what type of investor you are, you will pick, depending on what kind of investor you are, you will have to, there are different funds for you. If you are aggressive, you will be like, this is an aggressive fund because it invests in stocks, and we know stocks are really volatile, so you need to always read what the fund is about. So you can see the unit price, you can see the year-to-date performance has gone like 46.9%, which is really good. And the fund size, there's like up to 412 million of the fund size. The income distribution nil. Minimum holding period is 30 days. So you have to hold it for as low as 30 days. Then after the 30 days, you can withdraw your money if you want. If you want, you can leave it and let your capital, your money keep growing. And the minimum invested is 1,000. That means as low as 1,000 to 5,000. So your urgent 2K, urgent 3K is something you can start investing with. So this is the fund composition of the AEF. And I said it's an aggressive fund, so If you have a high risk, medium to high risk appetite, you can invest in this. But if you have a low risk appetite, then you should stay away from this type of fund. But this is what it's composed of: 5% is in cash, that's in cash in bank, 70% equities, and equities are our stocks. So 70% of this fund goes to equities. Bank placement, that is 10% is in bank placement, then 15% is in treasury bill. So you can view the full fund prospectus so you can know more about the fund and all that. So that's all for this fund. And if you want to invest in it, you can just do, so you can see buy. Me, I already have more, so that's why I say buy more. If you have not invested in it before, it will just be buy that will be there. But you can just click buy the amount you want. Let's say you have 2k, so you want to invest that 2k. You put the 2k. Let me do 1k. So we review the 1k. So this is now, so the 1k you're investing is approximately 1.63 units to 1.8 units at 583 per 583 naira 94 kobo per unit. The value is 1k. I put processing fee, zero processing fee. So the total I'm paying is 1,000. So you put your funding source. So all this would have been after you have put your, like, set up your account, added your card and all that. So I'm going to pay for my MasterCard. Then I'll continue. So my request has been submitted. So it will be processed within 24 to 48 working hours. And that's how you just do it. You see that I've been debited already easily. So I've been debited, and that's how you invest in this. So you're sharing a settled subscription, that's 1,000. So that's the amount I just invested in. So the same is for APF. APF is more of a low to medium risk fund. I mean, it's basically low because there's no much fluctuations like that, and its current buy price is 100 naira per unit. So you can click on learn more of the fund. We see year-to-date performance is 17.7%, which is how most interest rates are within this range. 11 P-Vest. So I think P-Vest for the Flex Naira, it is 12% per annum. So income, this one, they give you income distribution quarterly. So as every quarter you get in your interest will be paid back to you, and you can either withdraw the interest or reinvest it. And so this is the fund composition. We see 15% bonds, 50% bank placement, 20% treasury bills, and 15% commercial papers. So these are very stable asset options because they are basically low risk. So you know your money is safe. So if the same process, if you want to buy more, you just buy. You buy, select your funding source, whatever your funding source is, you continue. And that's it. That's all. And there's also the Nigeria International Debt Fund, so it's at 370.75. So you can also invest in that if you want. The income, the dividend that by another, that's twice a year. That's when you get your dividend. So you can do that. We see 60% bonds because it's a debt fund, and bonds we know are like debts you are paying. Either if it's a corporate bond, then it is a company's debt you are paying. But this bond is government bond, so you are paying debt on behalf of Nigeria, basically. So that's why most 6% goes to that, and the others are like stable options. So if you want, you can invest in it. And that is all for Optimus. Then if we go to Cowrywise, if we open Cowrywise, let's see. So this is the home page for Cowrywise. We have the home, we have the save, we have invest. So we're going to invest. So you already know how it goes. So this is, you can either choose a managed portfolio. So depending, you'll take a test, so they will know what type of investor you are, whether you're conservative, you're balanced, or you're aggressive, and they work with you based on what options you pick. Whether, so if you come out as balanced, they will show you balanced funds, conservative funds you can invest in. If not, but if you want, you can choose individual funds to invest in by yourself. So we can see here, if we see here, show up, we can see conservative, moderate, and aggressive. And we can see aggressive has the higher interest rates because they are investing mostly in stocks. So if you see, let's see, this one 46.64, that's the highest one, that's the AEF. So you can either invest in this one here or on the Optimus app. So you can learn more. If you learn more, you see the about, what is about, is very aggressive. There's a management fee of 1.5%. It's investing in blue chip stocks listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange with sound fundamentals and strong track records of above average financial performance. So how you earn, this is how you earn. The composition, you see 89% is in stocks while 11% is in money market. So that is why it's very aggressive, because today stocks can go up, tomorrow it can go down. So it's very aggressive and it's suitable for investors who have a long-term investment perspective. It is not designed for investors that require a guaranteed level of current income. Then these are the terms of use. So based on what you are, if you see moderate, this is 10.43. You see the about is moderate, there's the management fee. Yes, it's an open-ended mutual fund which seeks to provide investors capital preservation, liquidity, and diversification while providing competitive return on investment. We see it has 57% in bonds, then term deposits is 25%, cash is 3%, and corporate bonds are 15%. So this is what the fund is being invested in. And for conservative, let's do Cowrywise investment. So we see what the composition is. So 25% T-bills, 35% commercial papers, and 40% bank placement. So basically, when it comes to mutual fund, you should know what works for you. Are you low risk, medium risk, or high risk? If you are, there's always an option for you. So make sure that before you invest in a mutual fund, that you understand your risk appetite and also understand what the fund entails, what it is investing in, so that if you say maybe you are a low risk investor, you would not invest in an aggressive fund and now be wondering why your money is up and down anyhow. So you should always ensure that as a beginner, you should ensure that you are reading what the fund is about. And another tip I'll give for beginners is in reinvest your interest, because we are doing this for long term. We are trying to build long term wealth. So reinvesting your interest will help you build more wealth in the long run. And don't be panicked at any market fluctuation, because the market can fluctuate at any point in time. So don't panic at the sight of any drop or loss, because you are a long term investor. So it will definitely go up once again. So that's it for this video. I've taught you how to use two user-friendly apps, that is Cowrywise and Optimus by Afrinvest, to start your investment journey in mutual funds. So if you like this video or you know anybody that this can help, don't forget to share the video, comment what your journey has been in investing in mutual funds so other people can also learn from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.